Okay, exploring abandoned stuff. We're at the... Where are we, hun?
Hi, we're in New Egypt.
Okay. Yeah, this is old abandoned stuff. This is cool. Look at this old... Right. Oh, wow, look at this. This is neat. Oh, wow. This is the old farm back here. Wow, this is neat. Oh. And there's stuff living in here, huh? Oh, look at the rafters. This is like the original barn. You can tell where it's made out of the trees. Wow. This is real neat. I'm not going... Oh, I could go in. Oh, look at the old foundation of the silo. It's one of the best ones yet. Okay, my foot's going through something. Let's do it slow. Oh, look at that. The beams alone are worth a lot. You could really... Those beams, that's really cool. The old stairs where the horses were. Oh, that's really neat. Okay, cool.